If I start testosterone, do I have to take it forever? This is one of the most common questions I hear from men as it relates to starting testosterone. If I start it, do I have to take it forever? Today, we're going to answer that question. I'm Dr. Tracy Gapin, board-certified urologist, men's health expert, and the founder of the Gapin Institute, where we help high-performing men like you achieve peak performance in every area of your life. Now, let's look at testosterone. And when it comes to starting testosterone, the common question I hear is, well, does that mean I have to take it forever once I start it? Well, let's answer that question by first looking at, why are you taking testosterone replacement therapy? We know that natural approaches can have some benefit, but typically take a long time, and typically most guys don't see enough benefit, bang for their buck, to move the needle quickly enough to make a difference. And so most guys end up moving to testosterone replacement therapy because their levels are low. And what does that mean? You're having low energy. You're having brain fog, difficulty with focus, concentration, cognitive function, memory, mental acuity. Mood is off. You can't burn fat like you used to. You can't build muscle. You're working out in the gym, strength training, not seeing any results. You're having a hard time recovering from injury or from workout or from illness. You can't burn that belly fat. You've lost your drive. You've lost your edge. You don't have the same sex drive as you used to. You can't perform like you used to. Or maybe you just want to be your absolute best again. You remember how you used to feel and you know something is off. A lot of reasons why men finally decide to pull the trigger on getting TRT. The point here is you're starting TRT for a reason, right? It's because you're having all the symptoms and you want improvement, and you know testosterone can definitely help. It's certainly not the magic bullet, but it's definitely a big part of that. And I love the benefits of testosterone replacement therapy. And, while I always recommend a very integrated, holistic approach, if you will, to men's health, testosterone is one of the first pieces of that. And so I think it's appropriate for many men, not all men. There are certain nuanced details to determine whether you're the right candidate for testosterone therapy. But when you're starting testosterone therapy, you're starting it for a reason, right? You're starting it because you're having symptoms, because you're miserable, because your levels are low and you can't get up any other way. That's the key point here. Because when we optimize your testosterone, when you start testosterone replacement therapy, you're going to have better energy, better mood, better focus, better cognitive function, mental acuity, memory, concentration. You're going to be able to burn fat, build muscle, recover faster, have better drive, feel more alive, feel like a man again, have better sex, improve cardiovascular health like we've talked about in other videos, improve longevity. We know the benefits of testosterone replacement therapy. And so the question is, do you have to take it forever? The answer is no. The answer is you can stop it whenever you want to feel like shit again. And I have to say, I stole that from another brilliant expert in the field of testosterone replacement therapy. But the point here is that you're taking it for a reason, because you're here and you want to get there. And it's going to help you do that. When you do that, in fact, the question actually changes. You see, most men who ask that question initially, when they start TRT, they're hesitant, do I have to take it forever? Shortly after they start feeling the amazing benefits, that question changes to, do I get to take this forever? And the answer is yes, because we know the benefits of optimized testosterone. Whether your body's making it or whether we're giving it to you, we know the benefits of optimized testosterone levels. And so, do you have to keep taking it forever? No, you can stop whenever you want. Now, what happens when you stop? When you stop TRT, your levels are going to plummet because that testosterone has been telling the brain, hey, we have enough, we don't need any more. And so your pituitary, the gland in your brain that tells your testicles to make testosterone turns off. The signal turns off specifically. And so your levels will plummet. But gradually, eventually, over months, your levels will creep back up to around where they were before you started. The take-home message here is you don't have to take it forever. You can stop whenever you want, but the reality is once you start, you're not going to want to stop because you notice incredible benefits. When you're considering whether or not to start testosterone replacement therapy, I don't think this is a reasonable objection to starting. So in summary, if you want to start testosterone, you don't have to take it forever, but once you do, you're going to want to. If you're ready to optimize your health and performance, check out gapininstitute.com/launch for a bunch of peak performance gifts and learn more about our precision medicine approach. Don't forget to hit the like button below, subscribe to this channel for more evidence-based insights. I'll see you in the next video. Thanks so much.